Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev INS 5-door auto in sleek grey. This SUV boasts a 2-litre engine, petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, and automatic transmission for a smooth drive. Loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a secure and enjoyable ride. Luxury trim, third-row seats, and ambient lighting elevate the interior, while exterior features like roof rails and spoiler add to the stylish design. With a comprehensive warranty, full multi-point health and safety check, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Volvo. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie or call today to learn more about the 2021 Volvo XC90 T8 Phev INS 5-door auto.